In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view file details and activity in Google Drive. Understanding these details and activities can be incredibly handy for managing your files more effectively, collaborating seamlessly with others, and ensuring everything is running smoothly with your work. So, let's dive right in and explore step by step. First, you're going to want to head over to Google Drive. Once there, look towards the left of your screen where you'll see the menu. This menu is a crucial navigation tool within Drive, and one of the key options you'll notice is My Drive. Go ahead and click on My Drive. Alternatively, if you have a particular folder in mind that you want to delve into, feel free to click on that folder instead. After you've made your selection, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you will find a small icon that looks like a lowercase letter I within a circle. This is the View Details icon. Click on this icon to open up a wealth of information about your selected file or folder. Upon clicking the icon, you will be greeted by two informative tabs that will appear on the right side of your screen. The first tab is labeled Details. This tab provides you with important file information such as who the owner is, where the file is located within your drive, the size of the file, and the type of file it is. This information is perfect for getting a quick snapshot of your file's essentials. Next to the Details tab, you'll find the Activity tab. This is where things get really interesting. The Activity tab gives you a complete breakdown of all the interactions associated with your file or folder. You'll see a timeline showcasing edits, uploads, any sharing activity, comments received or added, and any moving of files that may have been done. It basically logs any significant action that takes place, which is invaluable for tracking progress and maintaining a history of what's been happening. As you explore these tabs, you can scroll through to view every activity related to the specific file or folder you're interested in. This detailed overview is especially useful if you're sharing documents with others and need to keep tabs on the collaboration aspects. And here's a useful tip to consider: if you select multiple files at once, Google Drive will show you the combined activity for all those files. This feature can be particularly helpful if you're working on several documents with a team and want to see the big picture in terms of modifications and interactions. That brings us to the end of our exploration of viewing file details and activity on Google Drive. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.